guys. I mean, guys, my lip is bleeding. So I'm probably gonna ask the girl what happened to your lip. So I was kind of trying to eat some ice, like other people do, right? Then it got stuck on my lip, and then I tried to take it off, and it kind of hurt it, and I saw some blood on it. I'm like, is my lip bleeding? I'm over here and it was bleeding bad, like really bad. Right here. And now I feel bad for myself because this really hurts. So guys, don't eat ice no more because this will happen to you.